Welcome to our video on lifestyle changes for tinnitus relief. In this video, we will be providing you with some useful tips and strategies that can help alleviate the symptoms of tinnitus. One effective lifestyle change for tinnitus relief is maintaining a healthy diet. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help improve overall health and potentially reduce tinnitus symptoms. Stress can exacerbate tinnitus symptoms, so it's important to find ways to reduce stress in your daily life. Consider practicing relaxation techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or engaging in activities you enjoy. These can help lower stress levels and alleviate tinnitus discomfort. Exposure to loud noise can worsen tinnitus symptoms. It's crucial to protect your ears from excessive noise levels. Make sure to use earplugs or earmuffs in noisy environments and keep the volume of electronic devices at a reasonable level. Caffeine and alcohol are known to have an impact on tinnitus. It is advised to limit or avoid the consumption of caffeine and alcohol as they can worsen tinnitus symptoms for some individuals. Regular exercise can improve blood circulation and reduce stress, which can potentially have a positive effect on tinnitus. Engage in activities such as walking, swimming, or cycling to promote overall well-being. It is important to consult with a healthcare professional if you are experiencing tinnitus symptoms. They can provide personalized advice and recommend appropriate treatment options based on your specific situation. Incorporating these lifestyle changes into your daily routine can help provide relief from tinnitus symptoms. Remember to listen to your body, take care of your overall well-being, and seek professional guidance when needed.